Alright, this is 10 minutes to 8 West African time. I want to teach you what you're going to do on EURCAD and USDCAD. So I want to tell you what to expect and what's going to happen, or what may happen, and if they happen, what you should do. So right now I am still, my bias on EURCAD is still long. It's still on the long side. So what am I going to be waiting for right now if I am going to place a long trade? Right, so it's simple. I am going to wait for a breakthrough through this area on EURCAD. Right now it's already on my zone. Since morning I put an order around here which is already deleted. It was not filled because of the spread, but my order was around 1.46389, but it wasn't filled because of the spread issue. And anything after 4, I take away my orders. So I'll be waiting for, I don't know what's going to happen around this area, but I'm going to be waiting for a crossover, a breakthrough around this zone. So in essence, this is what I'm thinking. This is what I'm thinking should happen from this swing. Right here we have this, and then I'm looking for something to break through here. Then once that happens, then I will enter around somewhere here like this. So the best thing we need right now on EURCAD, if we still want to validate our long trade, our long bias, is for this place to hold. It's for this place to hold. This 1.46349 to hold. If you go on the 1-day time frame, which is still the anchor for my trade since morning, since last week, I mean, yeah, if we cross over, I mean, if we break through 1.46109 or 1.46, the psychological level of 1.46, then we are going short. So I don't know, there may be a lot of consolidation energy around here, and it may take a while, so you have to be patient. So that's it. Now on USDCAD, I saw something on USDCAD recently, just some minutes back, and I want to show you. Now on the let me check the 4-hour time frame to see. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we are bearish on the 4-hour time frame on USDCAD. So I was thinking, so I was thinking that there is going to be a reversal around here. Oh, very close, but it did not happen. So this is what I'm thinking is going to happen on USDCAD. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Now on the 15 minutes time frame, you will see that we are bearish on the 15 minutes time frame. So without going through all the motions of technical analysis, this is my plan. I'm gonna be waiting for it around here. Of course, one will be hoping for a confluence between EURCAD and USDCAD, and that is why my bearish, my bullish bias on EURCAD is a little bit on the 80%, but from what I see on the USDCAD, it's a little bit shaking. So I'm gonna wait for something around here, around this area, on this area right here. So on the 88.6, on the 88.6, I'm going to be waiting for a change of character in those areas. However, from experience, these things have a tendency of going upwards. So there is also the likelihood that we are going to be reversing around here, somewhere here. So if you ask me which zones is greater, which zones is more powerful, is the one, the 88.6 on the old, the entire swing. So my take profit, if a change of character happens there, my take profit will be somewhere here, around here, a little bit. So that is it on USDCAD and EURCAD. I will be detailing these moves and my decisions on my Telegram channel. It's free. I I don't give signals, but sometimes when I do, it's free. And the reason I don't give signals is because of sometimes I may change my mind in a split second. So follow my Telegram channel, join my Telegram channel for you to be aware of these changes. So peace.